Hi! In front of me is OPPO A77s, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Connection and Sharing. Then select Print. Tap on Default Print Service and wait. Your device is searching for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. In order to use different print service, disable this one and click on the back button. Then click on Add Print Service and download the best one for you. In my case, HP one. When your new service is ready, click on the back button twice to go back to printing settings. Then tap on your new service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!